this is the main page of the website from Pepe Meme. You can see the most exciting project here, and you can see the website is very emerging, and well as you make a purchase, you can see that I have already raised 3.5 millions in the short period of the first round. So friend, 3.5 million is a big amount, and they have already raised the 3.5 amount already for the in the short period of the term. After that, we will tell more about the project, and you can see how to buy and how to purchase the Meme from the project. After that, we will tell you tell you the about their Twitter. You can see the Twitter is a very awesome 3.3 million already followers on here, and you can see this is beginning like a storm on the world, and Pepe Meme is going to the high show. And you can see in the score of the Twitter is also very good, and they are the exchanges, and like Binance and Coinbase have followed them. And also you can see just beginning, and this is the beginning. We have also followed by the Twitter from the Ethereum, Solana, Sol, Sui, and many famous influencers. Like you can see many influencers are there, and they are also promoting the project, the Pepe Meme, and it's going high and high in the fame. And you can see these are the main influencers, as like Andrew, Alex, Finn, and Ashley, and others have also followed the Pepe Meme, and you can see it's on their Twitter X. So the project is going high and high, you can see, and its community is also very good. So purchasing the Pepe Meme is very simple. You can see the connect wallet button is there. If you click on the connect wallet, you can see you connect your wallet here, buy from here. Also you can see the Pepe Meme also have raised 3.5 millions here, and you can see their developments and their whole thing. So the purchase is very simple. You go to your wallet, connect, and click on the buy now, and enter your private client's codes and apply now, and you can buy it from here easily. So this is the simple way you can buy a Pepe Meme from their website, and also you can buy it from their website very easily. So friend, tell me more about the project, and you can see the Pepe Meme, and we have also have insider news and information that I know their airdrop from TG game will be more than 20 million. So friend, 20 million, more than 20 million they are giving in their game, and they are from Telegram. So they are developing their game, and soon you will see their game on the Telegram, and it's a big opportunity to earn dollar 200 million 20 million. So friends, you can buy easily, and you can play and earn from their game. After that, you can see their September and Sol and stacking also. Their games are coming soon on their Google Play, and soon you will see their Telegram game on the same. So Pepe Meme is the total players, and the total prize is very good. And after that, you can see tap to earn, tap your way to reward complete and fun and task, also airdrops hub, and you can see earn from their airdrops. So friend, this is the everything is very good. That 3.5 million has already been collected, and this is only the first round. The main funds and the investor will appear soon. The game will soon be available on the Apple Play Store. The project goal is to attract more than 50 million users, they say. This is just a beginning of the story. So friends, this is just a beginning of the story. Their game will launching soon, and also they will give good airdrops to people, and so you can see everything on their website and seek knowledge from there. And also we talk about their roadmap is also very good, and their purchase, you can see their launch pad is also working. So friend, this is the potential growth. Their potential growth is 1000x, and hurry to enter the earliest stage while it is possible. If you buy from here in the early stage, you can easily go to the 1000x. If you buy from here, you will easily go to the 1000x. And this is you can see you can buy from Sol and overview. If you talk about the maximum supply, the fully detailed variation is very good, and everything is very good and looking very fine. Also their Twitter is awesome. You can see 3.3 million followers also they have, and main influencers like Andrew and everything. One is talking about the Pepe meme. So if you buy from the here, you can see and in the website, everything is in the website. If tokenomics is very good, supply is very good, and they are giving everything is very bad. So friend, Pepe meme is news. Also you can see their Business Insider and Forbes and Feels Good Man also. The project is very good and awesome, so hurry up and buy from their website, and buying is very easily, and you can buy from here and earn a lot of profit for the future. And 1000x is very easy to if you buy from here. So friends, I hope you will like your today video, and if you like our video, please follow our channel. Also like the button and tell your friends and family about the Pepe meme. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.